Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Sealed IAS. In this video, we'll try to solve some important question of geography and environment which was asked by UPSC in its previous examination. So let's start with the first question which was asked by UPSC in Prelims 2021. So the first question is related to the palm oil. The question says that with reference to palm oil, consider the following statements. Statement 1. The palm oil tree is native to Southeast Asia. Second statement says that the palm oil is a raw material for some industries producing lipstick and perfume. Second statement is correct because most of the cosmetic product they are using palm oil, and also palm oil used for cleaning purpose. So the second statement is correct. And the third statement is that says that the palm oil can be used to produce biodiesel. Yes, palm oil is a byproduct. It can be used to produce biodiesel. So third statement is also correct. So second and third both are correct. Now read the first statement. It says that the palm oil tree is native to Southeast Asia. It is incorrect because palm oil tree is native to Africa. Later it was brought to Southeast Asia, especially Malaysia and Indonesia. And both Malaysia and Indonesia, they produce almost 85% of palm oil and export across the world. Hence, if we eliminate option 1, it is available in A, C and D. So here the correct answer is B, that is 2 and 3 only. Now the next question is with reference to water on the planet Earth. Consider the following statements. The amount of water in the rivers and lakes is more than the amount of groundwater. So it is said that the amount of water on river and lakes is greater than the groundwater. Second statement says that the amount of water in the polar ice caps and glaciers is more than the amount of groundwater. So amount of water of polar ice and glaciers is greater than the groundwater. It is clearly mentioned in 11th class NCERT. There is a chapter called Ocean and its Distribution. And in this chapter, it is clearly mentioned that the fresh water, around 69% is reside in glaciers and 30% of fresh water reside in underground, and less than 1% of fresh water reside in river and lakes. So according to the statement, now again read the first statement. The amount of water in the rivers and lakes is more than the amount of groundwater. This statement is incorrect. Not more than, it is less than the amount of groundwater. So if you eliminate option 1, you can eliminate A only and C both 1 and 2. Now again read the second statement. The amount of water in polar ice caps and glaciers is more than the amount of groundwater. Yes, this statement is correct. So hence only 2 is correct, that is B. Now move to the next question. Third question is related to, at the national level, which ministry is nodal agency to ensure effective implementation of the Scheduled Tribe and Traditional Dwellers Recognition of Forest Act 2006. This was in current affair in 2021, and here the correct answer is, that is Ministry of Tribal Affairs, which ensure the effective implementation of Scheduled Tribe and other traditional dwellers. Now the next question is related to the tropical zone and temperate zone. The question says that consider the following statement. In the tropical zone, So tropical zone, it is a zone between 0 to 23.5 degree northern hemisphere and 23.5 degree southern hemisphere. And due to the rotation of Earth, the wind moves from the east to west. It is known as trade wind. So in the tropical zone, the western section of ocean are warmer than the eastern section of ocean, owing to the influence of trade wind. So due to the trade wind, the wind carry the warm water from the eastern part of ocean to the western part of ocean, and due to the obstruction of land mass, the warm water carried by the trade wind piled up over the western part of ocean, and therefore low pressure created. At the same time, eastern part of ocean, there is high pressure created. So high pressure means temperature is less, and low pressure means temperature is more. So statement 1 is correct. And the other hand, in the temperate zone means zone between 23.5 degree northern hemisphere to 66.5 degree northern hemisphere. Similarly, 23.5 degree southern hemisphere to 66.5 degree southern hemisphere. And in this zone, the wind move from west to east, which is known as westerlies. And due to the movement of westerlies, it carry warm water from the western section of ocean to the eastern part of ocean. And again, due to the obstruction land masses, the wind westerlies carry warm water from west to east, and due to obstruction of land mass, low pressure will create. Again, here low pressure means temperature is more, and on the other hand, western part of ocean, high pressure will create, and high pressure means temperature is less. So second statement say that in the temperate zone, westerlies make eastern section of ocean warmer. Yes, eastern section become warmer than the western section. So the second statement is also correct. Hence, we can go with the C, that is both 1 and 2. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Consider the following rivers: Brahmani, Nagavali, Suvarnarekha, Vamsadhara. Which one of the above rise from the Eastern Ghat? So Eastern Ghat comprises of 5 states, that is Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and some part of Karnataka. Now, Brahmani river, which origin, it is also known as South Coil, which origin from the Nagari village of Ranchi district in Jharkhand, and Nagavali, which originated from the Kalahandi district of Odisha, and third, Suvarnarekha, it is also rise in Chota Nagpur plateau, which is near the Nagari village of Ranchi district, and it is also located in Jharkhand. And the last river is Vamsadhara, which originated in eastern coast of Odisha and enter into a district called Sukra of Andhra Pradesh and flow into Bay of Bengal. So now the question says that the river which rise from the Eastern Ghat. So as per the statement, Jharkhand is not part of Eastern Ghat, so can eliminate option 1. Again, Jharkhand, it is in option 3, that is Suvarnarekha, so we can eliminate option 3. If we eliminate option 1 and 3, so A, C and D eliminated, only one option remaining, that is B, 2 and 4 only. Now move to the next question. Among the following, which one is the least water efficient crop? So least water efficient crop means the crops that require more water to grow. Here there are 4 options: sugarcane, sunflower, pearl millet and red gram. It is recommended that pearl millet and red gram can be grown in semi-arid region, which means water is not that much required. Sugarcane and sunflower, sugarcane require 1800 mm to 2000 mm per season. On the other hand, sunflower require 670 mm per season. So which crops require more water? Yes, the option is sugarcane. Now move to the next question. Consider the following statement. Global Ocean Commission grants license for seabed exploration and mining in the international water. Second statement, India has received license for seabed mineral exploration in international waters. This statement is correct because in 1987, India has received license for seabed exploration as well as polymetallic nodules. So second statement is correct. Third statement says that rare earth minerals are present on sea floor in international waters. This statement is also correct. Rare earth minerals, scientists suggested that at Japan side of a Pacific Ocean, there is a huge reserve of rare earth minerals present. So Pacific Ocean. So second and third statement are correct. Again read the first statement. Global Ocean Commission grant license for the Seabed Authority. This statement is incorrect. There is a body called ISA, that is International Seabed Authority, which was established in under UN clause, that is United Nations Convention of Laws and Seas. So if you eliminate option 1, A eliminated, C eliminated, D eliminated, only B, that is 2 and 3 correct. Next question, the black cotton soil of India. In Indian geography as well as in geomorphology topic, we have already studied that black soil of India, it is a part of Malwa Plateau, which are present in the state of Karnataka. Black soil also present in Maharashtra, some part of MP as well as some part of Gujarat. And this Malwa Plateau is formed due to the volcanic or eruption. So therefore only one option is correct, that is fissure volcanic, B correct. Next question. Question number 9 says that related to vegetation of savanna. It consists of grassland with scattered small tree. So savanna vegetation, it consists of dominated by grasses, as well as there is some region where small trees are there, but extensive areas have no trees. The forest development in such area is generally kept in check by one or more or combination of some condition. Which of the following are such conditions? Whether tropical evergreen forest, whether tropical semi-evergreen forest, or whether tropical deciduous forest. All these forests are depend on the temperature of that region as well as precipitation, means rainfall of that region. There is no role of soil in this forest, because soil are determined. There is only one forest called as mangrove forest. So we can eliminate soil properties, that is 5. And savanna vegetation is the region where temperature is maximum as well as rainfall is less. Therefore, dominated by grasses, but there are small trees. So if we eliminate option 5, D eliminated, B eliminate. Only 2 options remain, 1 and 2, and C 2, 3 and 4. So 2 is common. Fire is there, yes. Temperature is maximum, rainfall is less. So there can be chance of fire. And if 2 is correct, 4 seasonal rainfall, yes. Rainfall is quite less, means it's seasonal rainfall, not maximum. So we can go with seasonal rainfall 4. So then only one option C, which contains 2, 3 and 4. Next question is related to Moringa. Consider the following statements. Moringa is a leguminous evergreen tree. Second statement, tamarind tree is endemic to South Asia. This statement is incorrect. Tamarind tree is endemic to West Africa, not South Asia. So if you eliminate option 2, D eliminated, A eliminated, only B and C remain. Moringa is a leguminous evergreen tree. This statement is also incorrect. Why? Because Moringa is a deciduous tree, which means the tree which leaves shedding their leaves in a particular time. So if you eliminate Moringa, option 1, so C is also eliminated, only one option remaining, that is B, 3, 4 and 5. So this is how we have discussed 10 questions from geography section, which UPSC asked in the prelims 2021. In the next video, we'll try to solve some question from environment section. Till then, thank you so much.